It's time to eat. I'm gonna eat the crab boil. I have snow crab here. I have wild shrimp, Dungeness crab, corn, red potatoes, and sausages, the kibasas. So it's time to eat. Let's eat. Ooh, look at this. Ah, the juice. Ah. It's delicious. Look at this. This is delicious. Wow. Really good. I use this. I have this. Look at this. This is delicious. Really good. Yummy. Yum. Really good. Delicious. I'm enjoying this very much. That garlic and the spices from the Cajun seasoning, black pepper, paprika, touch of salt, and some, actually I have some lime juice here. These are lemons actually, lemon juice. Some in here. Now, I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to get some shrimp and a potato and a sausage and a potato and some mussels. And I'm going to get Dungeness crabs. Look at this. And the corn, I'm going to finish this first, then I'm going to the corn. Really good. Put some lime juice in here. Delicious. And the potatoes, these are from Costco. The Costco has the best potatoes, small ones. Really good. Shrimp. Look at this. This is wild shrimp from Costco. All the spices from the Cajun mix. Oh, it's delicious. Really good. I'm gonna finish this clove and then I'm gonna try a corn. It's almost done. This is good. All the flavors, garlic. I can taste the garlic. I can taste the spices, the paprika, that Cajun seasoning, and the butter. Really good. Garlic is one of my favorite flavors. Try your corn. This is from Costco too. They have the best corns too. Really good. Wow. Look at this. This is one of the most flavorful, delicious corn I have eaten. This is delicious. You guys should try this. I always try to use the fresh corn instead of the frozen one. This is there's a huge difference. This is really good. Very flavorful. Kibasas. Really good. This is really good. I'm gonna finish all this now. I'm gonna finish all this today. I'm gonna try. This is my favorite, the Cajun crab boil. I like chopped up. I'm gonna try that. Really good. I'm gonna eat this too. And I'm gonna try some green mussels. Masih siya po guys. And a potato. This is good. The green mussels. Look at this. Flavorful garlic, the butter and the seasonings, the Cajun seasonings. Delicious. And some shrimp. These potatoes. Very flavorful, delicious. Cheers. That's good. I'm enjoying this very much. The seafood boil came out really good. All the fresh spices. Almost there. I'm gonna. This is good. Okay, I'm done almost. I'm gonna taste these too. The flavor is really good. I am done. I'm stuffed. I'm gonna finish this trip. I ate all the potatoes and the kielbasas. It was delicious. Green mussels. Ta-da! Look at my plate. And look at this. Enjoy. Make your food at home. Try with this Costco seafood and try the Cajun spices. I made the Cajun boil from scratch. It was delicious. Enjoy with your family. Thanks for joining me. I will see you on my next video. Thank you. I ate all this.